What's up, what's up? It's Chef Big Shake from CBS Foods. We get lots of emails and telephone calls every day asking me, Chef Big Shake, how do we cook the original shrimp burger? You know what, there's plenty of different applications. The springtime is fading, summertime is coming upon us, and I think we should take this shrimp burger party to the backyard on the barbecue grill. Now, I have a dual action grill here. It also has an eye, which allows me to put a frying pan and pan-sear these shrimp burgers. Also, I'm gonna show you how to flame broil these shrimp burgers. Now, I like to keep my burgers moist. When you're grilling outside, people have a tendency to turn up the heat. Listen, man, we got seafood on this grill. You wanna turn it down low, cook it a little slow, so that way that burger retains its natural juiciness. Listen, we have the best shrimp in the world in these burgers, and you don't wanna dry them out. So, I like to baste them with a little bit of olive oil, and then this olive oil, I add some herbs, some rosemary, a little bit of minced garlic, give it some real fantastic flavor. My pan is heating up wonderfully. Now here we go. I like to add about 2 tablespoons of fresh olive oil. Let's take that burger straight from frozen now. There's no need to throw these burgers out and wait and have your guests waiting. Straight from frozen, right into the frying pan. Woo, look at that sizzle. Now while my burgers are on the grill, you would not believe the flavor and the smell coming off these burgers. It smells absolutely fantastic. Now 3 to 4 minutes when you're pan searing these burgers on each side from frozen. When you're grilling them, you want to add about a minute or a minute and a half extra longer. So you're talking about 3.5 to 4 minutes on each side. All right, guys, I think this burger's been on here long enough. It's been about 7 to 8 minutes. Woo, look at this thing. The shrimp are bursting out of the seams on this burger. Can you believe this? Listen, the sweet onions, the red bell peppers. Whoo, my goodness, somebody's gonna enjoy this burger today. Now, people, you don't need to go out and make fancy sauces for this burger. You can find ketchup, cocktail sauce, tartar sauce right in your refrigerator, right in your cabinet. Listen, you don't have to be a master chef to make this shrimp burger taste good, because I'm gonna tell you, it can stand alone. Now, we're gonna go back to our pan. Our burger should be just about ready to flip. Whoo, look at the sear on this thing. Look at the sear on this burger. Every time I smell these burgers, I start to fall in love all over again. I'm gonna tell you that, truthfully. Listen, while I got you here, I'm gonna give you a sneak peek into the way I like to serve my guests at my backyard barbecue. I got some grilled pineapple here accompanying the shrimp burger, some grilled sweet potatoes with some fantastic homemade potato salad, my favorite. Also, I have some grilled pineapple here with some grilled asparagus and the shrimp burger. But if you have guests that are trying to be a little more healthier without the bun, listen, get a nice summer salad, chop that shrimp burger up, toss it right on top of the lettuce, the tomatoes. I have some sweet yellow bell peppers. They're in season right now, so try to use it within season. And I guarantee you that person will love this salad. Listen, I gotta go, guys. If you got any more questions whatsoever of grilling techniques about the original shrimp burger, feel free to contact me. We always update our website with new and fantastic, exciting recipes. Take care, guys.